is our constitution. If we will follow the constitution, then we can get each and everything. If you want to get the development in your life, then you have to study the Indian constitution, because in India nothing is bigger than constitution. So in India the constitution is superpower. The constitution is the best thing. So there is need to see the Indian constitution. Each and every Indian, it is our duty. We have six fundamental rights and 11 fundamental duties. Everyone says, I don't get that, I don't get that, if there is something distributing. So everyone fight for the things. It means everyone want to get the right, but forget the fundamental duties. And it is not compulsory to forget. If we will remember the fundamental duties, then we can get also our rights. So first, right is, so before on the right, the fundamental duties is compulsory. And being Indian, it is our duty to know the all six fundamental rights and all 11 fundamental duties. If we know it, then it makes us Indian. In India, the constitution is the biggest thing that can handle each and everything. And that is the book of law. As we study to get knowledge, other books which are religious books. And religious books makes us positive, makes lots of things in our lives, create lots of things in our life, and we try to get those things, then that make us possible. So that to also to all of you that if there are lots of things, there is a struggle, but if we try to get that, there should be emotion, there should be target, and the power, the will, which is called goodwill, that is very, very compulsory. If you have that will, then you can't defeat in your life. You will be always successful. This is the chants, this is the mantras of a successful life. So it is compulsory, and to be an Indian, it is also our duty to follow the rules and get the development in our life. In society where you live, there is also need of rules. Without rule, you can't alive there. Otherwise, if you will try to break down the rules made by the society and the rule which is mentioned in the Indian Constitution, you will be declared as a terrorist. A terrorist doesn't have its any religion. It is said, कोई भी आतंकवादी जिसका कोई धर्म नहीं होता, एक व्यक्ति जब नियम को तोड़ता है तो कुछ पल के लिए वो भी एक आतंकवादी बन जाता है. इसलिए मैं चाहूंगा कि जितने भी बच्चे हो, अगर आपके मन में पॉजिटिव विचार हो, if you think positively, then you can achieve everything, and you may be a doctor, a scientist, an engineer, a professor, lecturer, everything. You may be also a PM, CM, governor, vice president, president of the country. Each and everything is possible, but it should be in your thoughts, because positive thoughts make us successful. So positive thought is very, very compulsory in our lives. If you don't think like that, then you go in a distractions way, and that is not good for us. So try to understand. I am going to also finish the ceremony today, and with these little words, I stop my speech. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय झारखंड. धन्यवाद.